What's up, guys? How you been? Hello there. So, in this little vloggy, it is actually my girlfriend Melissa's birthday. So she's turning 35 today. Wow, we've come so far. We've come so far. So I am actually getting ready to hop on a bus and head over to this bar called the Boatyard. It is in Buckeyelake. So some people are floating over. I'm taking the bus so I don't have to drive back. How I'll get home, probably a boat. Who knows? I'm a little, like, I can feel like the whole house party happening. I can feel like a house party happening today. I can feel it happening. So we're gonna be drinking. We're gonna be having a good time. Happy birthday, Melissa. All right, Logan Paul, honey, I got my prime. I got a couple primes I'm gonna check out tomorrow because I know I'm gonna be hungover. It's a given. So I got the tropical punch and the blue one. So, Mr. Logan Paul, I'm gonna see, there's a whole demographic for my market. I am the middle-aged women who go out and still think they're 21 and take 12 shots and then cannot function the next day because we're not 21 anymore. So, we're gonna do like a prime experience hungover tomorrow. This is not a paid promotion, but they're supposed to be low calorie and I heard they're good, so hungover middle-aged women, we're doing a review, babes. I also got her one of those in the back. Okay, so I'm headed down to the beach house and that's where the bus is gonna pick me up, so see you down there. So the outfit is just black on Johnny Cash, on What Up, on black purse, black everything, black soul. Just kidding.
We're going to have to figure out another object. Which one do you guys want to play? Chair there, you're eliminated.
Oh my gosh, you gotta find the object.
Go find me a napkin.
Oh my god, a napkin!
You got a chair, Danny, get out there. Before you get the next object, you must return that napkin where you got it. Do you remember where you got it from? Alright. So, before you get the next object, you must return that napkin. Go find me a beer. No, it can't be yours, it has to be somebody else's.
They're out!
It can't be yours, it has to be somebody else's.
Change the rules. Rule changing bullshit.
No, that's all it says.
Make amendments?
A man's shoe. It can't be yours. What? Ain't me playing? Hey, make sure you guys don't smell those. We don't know how long they had them on for. Find me somebody's driver's license.
A driver's license?
Hey, play a chair, Danny. Danny, move a chair. Danny.
Well, that's my chair.
Remember, you got to return the driver's license before you get the next object. Find me somebody's driver's keys. Their keys to their car.
She got a man for that! They all got men for that.
Wait a minute, we got 2 people eliminated. How's that? We got 1 more chair left. Come on, guys. Hurry up. Whoever was still standing, turn around. We got 1 chair left. There was 2 of you. Hurry.
You guys!
Next object. Find me a woman's shoe. A woman's shoe.
She knows the rules.
Don't smell it, because she might have had it on for a while. Alright. Next object. Somebody's sunglasses.
Dude, baby girl's gotta do it for everything. Oh my god, we're down to 3. We're down to 3.
Find me a straw.
A straw. Kristen. Ah!
Alright, we got 2 people left. In order to win this game, you must bring birthday girl out here to dance with you.
Copyright, so hard.
And we have a winner. I don't know if this is your size or not, but here's a t-shirt for you.
Okay, so then we ended up just walking down the boardwalk to this lake house right down the way. Really cool house. They were just partying outside, but they had this like diver guy. Tracy had to show us the bathroom because we're degenerates and we don't even know how to find the bathroom. And then they had this cool like wall of TVs, very MTV style. Like, who is fighting for the remote in this house, you know?
I'm in a random bathroom in Buckeyelake. But nothing can be too random at Buckeyelake.
Girl, what you doing with your tongue?
Happy birthday, my love. You don't even smoke cigarettes like that. Right? Hi. We're at the bar. I just want to say happy birthday, Millisa.
Thank you guys. I appreciate it.
We love you so hard.
God bless America.
Besties.
It's the next day. I'm definitely hungover. Let's drink a Prime and get the hydration back in our bodies. Blue or red, guys? Blue or red? Blue?
You take the blue pill. The story ends. You wake up in your bed and believe whatever you want to believe. You take the red pill. You stay in Wonderland.
Blue. We're going team blue. Okay, what is in this? Hydration drink. Okay. 25 calories. That's gorgeous. All right, so overall Prime review, the blueberry, the shit's good. It's good. It's a little sweet. But I like it. It's 10% coconut water, 25 calories, bro. 25 calories. So for all us queens who think that we can still like dance on the bar and take 15 shots and then we can just walk it off the next day, we can't walk it off. We're gonna have to hydrate. So I recommend this. A little sweet, but I like it. 25 calories, you can't beat it. Get out of here. Get out of here. All right, middle-aged queens, it's a yes. It's a yes. So it's Friday. I'm actually not as hungover as I thought I was gonna be, so that's pretty dope. Funny, because you look hella hungover with those dark circles under your eyes, girl.
However, we're gonna make some breakfast, and also we have the golf outing on Saturday, so I have to like round up all the prizes, get them all organized. I have to make like 5 pounds of pasta salad. And that's my regimen today. I think the bar is good. I think I am okay. I survived last night's debauchery. And we're just gonna hydrate and get some nutrients in our body. So let's make some avocado toast. So I think I had butternut squash soup at 3 in the morning last night. So that's where I'm at. All right, we did it. I literally eat this shit every day. Oh my gosh, no. For the YouTube, look what I just did. Son of a bitch. Oh. Oh my God, nightmares. Nightmares. Well, ladies and gents, this is what we have left. It did look a lot prettier, but whatever. I'm gonna eat this anyway because I need to. So I will say this though, if you girls, boys, anybody, if you are just like unmotivated and just like can't do it, I'm telling you, this is what you do. You put on Justin Bieber, you put on the Bieber Fever, you put on Intentions, and you make you some avocado toast and everything will be fine. Also, we're walking on rose petals because it's coming to America in this bitch, I guess.
What is the matter, dear? You are the son of a king. Why should you not walk on the petals of roses?
I am literally such a bum. I just had this all delivered. Okay, so I went with the bow tie pasta. I've got onions, green peppers, red peppers, cucumbers, Italian dressing, tomatoes, some shaved Parmesan. Just super simple pasta salad. So, and I got a few secret ingredients, you know, I gotta throw in there. So, it's a great day to have a golf outing. So it's obviously not the best day for a golf outing, but we ended up just like pushing it back a few hours and the rain's supposed to quit, is what they said. It's off right now. It's pouring down rain, like pouring down. So I don't know. I'm just gonna hope for the best. I'm getting ready to go head to the bar. I'm gonna like set up all the prizes, the food station, get everything set up. So when they get back, it's just like a nice flow happening. So yeah, I'm just gonna head down to the bar now and pray for the rain to stop. I mean, it's pouring rain, like pouring. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if I gave you. I don't know if you can see that, but. Yeah, so the golf gods weren't with us today. Happy Gilmore. Who was Happy Gilmore's guy that went, the alligator? What was his name? Where was you? Where was you today? No. So, yeah, I'm just going to head down to the bar, hope for the best. It is what it is, you know? Great memories can be made on rainy days at the golf course, so. Yeah. Also, the pasta salad came out so good.
You guys, what?
Okay, so my first round outside, I am literally soaked right now. It's wet. It's very wet out there. And I can't imagine what the golfers are probably soaked, dude. I feel like I should go get ponchos and like drop them off at the golf course. It's not a bad idea.
I mean, this is a little ridiculous, eh?
What? This isn't just like raining. This is pouring rain. And lightning. And lightning.
All right, so they just called it. They just called it off because of the lightning and obviously the weather. So we're gonna reschedule and do it again. But we have a bunch of fucking food. So we're gonna have a cookout somewhere tonight. Maybe my house, I don't know. It's a lot of food though. We're gonna have a community party. And we're gonna try to do it again. So Mother Nature wasn't on our side today. Try again next time.
Okay, and there's another thing too. If the golfers, like most of those golfers, golf over there with Dawn, right? So if they want their $18 back, I can send it with him Wednesday night, and Dawn can give them their money back. If they don't want to drive over here, but if they want to come over, they're more than welcome to come over. Because I mean, what do you do? Oh, yeah, it stinks. Okay. All right, you too. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. You too. Bye.
So that's where we're at.
I'm ready to drink.
Oh my God, that's what I said. I must get it honest. I don't know if I'm gonna end the video here or not because I'm just not necessarily sure where the night's gonna go. Plans are off, so now I'm like left with my own devices and I don't know what to do. Usually we start drinking. This is where we start drinking. So maybe this is goodbye, maybe not. We'll see. This is where we ended up. When all else fails, call Sandy.